Are you ready to skyrocket your trading game with some lightning fast strategies? Well, buckle up because today, on Quick Flick Trades, we're diving into some high-powered indicators that'll have you trading like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. Go to your Indicators tab. First up, search for the Kalman-Hull Supertrend and MW Volume Impulse indicators. Here are the settings. For the Kalman-Hull Supertrend, it's based on the whole moving average and supertrend. Keep an eye out for F labels for buying and S for selling. And for MW Volume Impulse, green indicates buy volume, while red signals sell volume. When you spot an L label, it's a buy signal. Wait for green volume confirmation. Enter the trade. Set your stop loss at the supertrend line and exit if the volume turns red. Similarly, for a sell entry, wait for an S label, confirm with red volume, set your stop loss and exit if the volume turns green. And here are the backtesting results, showcasing its effectiveness on the Bitcoin 5-minute chart. And there you have it, traders. Quick, simple, and effective. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quick flicks on trading strategies. Happy trading, and I'll catch you in the next one.